Hello, aspirants. Before going to start this session, I would like to say something. Every botany students, remember that the interview is not just a test of knowledge, but an assessment of your overall personalities, communication skills, and therefore express yourself as a most deserving candidate for civil services to approach the interview with confidence and a genuine commitment to serving the nation. In this interview session, when questions comes in front of you, simply pause the video, try to answer yourself, and then match your answer with my answer. In that way, your confidence boosts up gradually. Do subscribe and share so you will get early information. And if you have any question, please do write in the comment box of the video. So let's begin. To maximize your chance of scoring well in the UPSC interview as botany aspirants, it is crucial to adopt a strategic approach that expresses your knowledge, your administrative ability, leadership quality, communication skills, and many other parameters on that I am going to share with you one by one. First of all, what one do? First, think like interviewers. If you were in the board, then from which topic you will ask the questions from experience. So develop a mindset like interviewers and give answer. Open up yourself. Don't give up on questions and use your experience. Second, do systematic preparation. Focus on mastering the core concept of botany, especially from the topic like microbiology, cryptogams, applied genetics, economic botany, physiology, ecology and environment, and biotechnology. Share the practical application of botany in upliftment and empowerment of society through job creation, and especially in the context of food security, environmental conservation, and sustainable development. Remember, third thing is express the interdisciplinary nature of your knowledge. Demonstrate how your understanding of botany integrate with other subjects such as environmental science, agriculture, and you play a vital role in framing public policy. The fourth one is stay updated with current affairs, particularly those related to microbiology, biotechnology, plant breeding, floriculture, and horticulture, along with ecology, climate change, and environmental issues. Because sometimes interviewer overlapping in asking question, they may ask questions from agriculture or forestry because they don't sit there with botany syllabus, and that's why they overlap. So, and don't miss to watch another video because I have uploaded already 10 video. All are very systematic for botany preparation. So everyone must watch all the video if you want to fetch highest mark in the botany. And not only botany, I have uploaded GS video also to watch all the 20 video of interview for GS preparation. And for that, simply go in the playlist of the GS interview video and botany interview video. So let's start how to act and how to answer. Should always be prepared and take the questions of the board graciously and answer confidently and intelligently. So this is the first question in front of you. So when the board asks you what are the significance of plant hormones in the regulation of reproductive process. So as I already told you, first of all pause, answer yourself and then listen my answer. So when you are answering this question, because this question comprises two parts, so may they raise or may they ask first question about the significance of plant hormones and in the regulation of reproductive process, and the next time may or may not they ask. So when they ask simply what are the significance of plant hormones in the regulation of reproductive process, then your answer must be confined in two parts. So the first part of answer is the sir. Plant hormones such as auxin, gibberellin, and cytokinin play a crucial role in regulating various aspects of plant reproduction. Just stop. Your answer is already over here. If they ask again how it regulate flower development and maturation, then you should answer about, sir, in flower development, auxin influences the initiation of floral primordia, while gibberellin contributes to elongation and maturation of floral organs. Cytokinin are involved in cell division and differentiation during floral development, ensuring the plant for proper formation of reproductive structure. So be confined with our answer. Clear? I hope so. Remember all these things. Take the another question. Tell us the impact of plant disease on reproductive structure and strategies for disease management to ensure successful plant reproduction. This is a single question. This is a full-length question. You have to answer completely and answer in that way. Sir, plant disease can adversely affect reproductive structure, leading to reduced seed production and quality. Fungal infection, for instance, may damage flowers and inhibit seed development. Disease management strategies involve the use of resistant plant varieties, proper sanitation practices, and biological control method to mitigate the impact of pathogen on reproductive success and overall plant health. And over. Just over your answer here. So every time be conscious in front of the boards, because board member offer you to do some mistakes. So from your side be always conscious and always answer in. तो हमेशा एक बात आप लोग याद रखना कि जब भी आप आंसर करो लुक्स टुवर्ड एवरी मेंबर, जितने भी लोग हों उनसे सबके तरफ देखते रहो आप, आंसर कॉन्फिडेंटली। और ऐसा नहीं कि आप किसी एक पे फोकस हो जाओ। इफ सिंगल क्वेश्चन आस्क बाय ए मेंबर, अगर कोई एक मेंबर एक ही क्वेश्चन पूछता है, आप वहीं पे फोकस होकर मत रह जाना। नेक्स्ट वन इज द हाउ बायोटेक्नोलॉजिकल अप्रोचेज such as genetic engineering and tissue culture play a role in improving plant reproductive traits. So for this part, now this question has two parts. One is the how biotechnological approaches such as genetic engineering and tissue culture play a role in improving plant reproductive traits. And this question are in two parts here, but again I already told you, may the board ask you a single question, may they subdivided the questions, because it depends upon the members. If the member realizes you are taking questions graciously, definitely another member get inspired and they try to ask some question to you. So for that you need to be ready, and so for answering this question you should answer in that way. For the first part you have to answer in that way. The biotechnology tools have evolutionizing plant breeding and reproduction, and especially genetic engineering allow the modification of plants for desirable traits such as disease resistance or increased yield. Even the tissue culture enables for propagation of plant from small plant parts, facilitating rapid clonal reproduction. So when they asked you what are the associated challenges in agriculture, including seed production, crop yield, you should have answered. This technology contributes to sustainable agriculture by enhancing reproductive traits. At the same time, it raises several challenges. Just for example, BT cottons, issues related to GM crop, bioweapons, even the biopiracy, bioprospecting. You have to discuss about all those things. So take the next question. Now again, what are the if the board asked you, what are the ecological importance of mutualistic relationship between plant and pollinators? This is the first part of the question. And the second part is, may they ask or may they not? Are the co-evolution, adaptation enhance reproductive success for both partners? So when you're answering the first part, then you answer in that way, sir, mutualistic relationship between plant and pollinators, such as bees or butterflies, are essential for reproductive success and ecosystem stability. Stop your answer here. If they again ask second part of the question, or any member of ask second part of the question, then you should answer in that way, sir, co-evolution has led to adaptation like flower shapes, colors, and scent that attract specific pollinators. Pollinators in turn benefit from nectar and pollen as food source. And this mutualism enhances plant reproduction through efficient pollen transfer, ensuring genetic diversity and promoting the biodiversity in ecosystem. In that way, you have to answer, because you must know what is your limitation and what they want to know from you. There is no need to give in depth, because you already means qualified students. Take the other questions. What are the genetic basis of self-incompatibility in plant? So may on a single question, two or three members, one after another, raise a question. Take the first question. If they ask this question, what are the genetic basis of self-incompatibility in plants? So how you answer these three? First of all, starts answering that way, sir, self incompatibility is a genetic mechanism that prevents self fertilization in plant. If they ask, does it play any role in preventing inbreeding? Then sir, yes, it involves the recognition and rejection of pollen from the same plant, and this mechanism promote outcrossing, increasing genetic diversities. Examples. If they ask about any examples, a plant exhibiting self-incompatibility mechanism, then you should answer yes. In Brassicaceae plants, where a specific allele determines compatibility or incompatibility, and the sporophytic self-incompatibility found in Rosaceae family plants, where the genotype of the parents plant determines the compatibility with pollen. In that way, you have to answer the question. Remember, board members may they divide the questions or may they don't. But from your side, you should always present you are ready for every questions, and you must know your limitation of answering, and makes your entire interview more engaging so that the timing of interview exceeded. And according to my experience, it means that your interview is going good. It's good. So remember all these things. Are you enjoying with this classes or not? Please do write in the video box, because already I have told everyone, and now we are going to start our new batches online and offline at Science Age ICE Academy located in the Mukherjee Nagar. So if you want to join, or if you want to suggest anyone of your colleague students or fellow students or junior students, you are welcome. Okay, so I hope so. And let's watch all the video one by one, and write your precious comment. Do subscribe. So guys, thank you, and thanks a lot. Bye.